Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna be making my Flutter Shy makeup and I'm using my ears from my Flutter Shy cosplay. First I applied the foundation and the cover stick. I just skipped those steps because we have seen them so many times, so it's not that important. I just used green for contouring because I'm gonna be focusing on greens, yellows, blues and pinks for these Flutter Shy inspired look. And I think you guessed that I love My Little Pony, the series. Friendship is magic. So then I applied some powder, then I applied some my NYX HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base, then I applied eyeshadow, first a light pink, a purplish pink all around my eye, then a lighter pink everywhere around. And I just wanted to say I'm using my NYX In Your Element Air palette, and I'm using then a darker orangish pink color than the yellow. It wasn't too strong, but I started with the yellow in the inner corner, then I applied the light blue color in the middle, and at the end I added some pink in the corner, and I just blended everything together to look smooth and nice, and I liked how it looked. And I don't know what my cat is doing behind me right now. I hope she doesn't do anything bad. No, she's next to me. Then I used my Imagic paint and body paint to color my eyebrows, then a little bit on my nose and do my cheeks a little blush, and I liked it how it turned out. It was so cute and nice. I loved it. Then I used my Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream palette, eyeshadow palette, and I applied the Sunny Days, I think that's the color's name, as a highlighter. Then I used several eyeliners because I am running out of my eyeliners. They are drying, but I don't want to throw them away yet because I like them so much. So I drew my eyeliner like this. And then a little mascara to make it cute and tie the look together. And at the end I applied a little bit of a pink lipstick, a nice little sweet lipstick. So that's the finished look. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lots of link in the description. See you next time. Bye.